AI-driven ETF. Investing Explained: How Robots Build Smarter Portfolios. Most people think ETFs are simple. You just buy a few index funds, hold them for years, and let the market do its thing. But what if I told you that artificial intelligence is completely changing how ETFs are built, managed, and optimized? Welcome to the world of AI-driven ETF investing, where algorithms, not humans, are creating smarter, faster, and more efficient portfolios than ever before. In this video, we're diving deep into how AI is reshaping ETF investing, why it's outperforming traditional methods, and how you can start leveraging it to grow your wealth in 2026 and beyond. Let's start with the basics. An ETF, or exchange-traded fund, is a basket of assets, usually stocks, bonds, or commodities, designed to track a specific index, like the S&P 500. Traditionally, ETF management relied on human analysts who would research, rebalance, and make portfolio decisions manually. But AI has entered the scene, and it's rewriting the rulebook. Using machine learning, natural language processing, and predictive analytics, AI can now analyze millions of data points, not just price movements, but also social sentiment, news, trends, earnings reports, and even global economic signals, to make precise portfolio decisions in real time. The key difference between a traditional ETF and an AI-driven ETF is adaptability. Human managers often take weeks or months to rebalance portfolios based on market changes. AI, on the other hand, does it instantly. It constantly learns, evolves, and optimizes, adjusting positions daily or even hourly based on new information. Imagine having a portfolio that automatically shifts your exposure to industries showing momentum, cuts losses in weak sectors, and maximizes returns, all without emotion or bias. That's the power of a AI-driven ETF. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. AI ETFs aren't just reacting to data, they're predicting it. For example, if the algorithm detects a pattern between shipping traffic, supply chain metrics, and rising energy costs, it might increase exposure to renewable energy ETFs before the broader market catches on. These subtle but data-backed moves are what separate AI-managed funds from traditional passive strategies. One of the most popular examples is the Qraft AI ETFs, which use deep learning to predict future market movements based on massive data. These funds don't follow a simple index. They dynamically adjust based on probabilities and correlations too complex for human analysts to identify. And while they don't win every single time, the long-term consistency and adaptability are what make them stand out. But here is something most investors overlook: AI ETFs don't just make you money by picking the right stocks. They also reduce risk. Traditional investors tend to make emotional decisions, panic selling during dips, chasing trends at the top. AI doesn't do that. It makes data-driven decisions free from fear or greed, which means more stable returns and fewer bad trades. Think of it as having a 24/7 digital money manager that never sleeps, never gets emotional, and always works to optimize your results. Now, if you're wondering how to get started, it's actually simpler than you think. Most AI-driven ETFs are publicly traded, meaning you can buy them through your regular brokerage accounts, just like you would with any other ETF. Start by researching funds like the Qraft AI Enhanced U.S. Large Cap ETF or the AI-Powered Equity ETF, AIEQ. Both use advanced machine learning algorithms to select stocks based on predictive analytics. You don't need to be a tech expert to invest in them. Just understand that these ETFs use data, not humans, to make smarter financial decisions on your behalf. Here's a practical tip. When adding AI ETFs to your portfolio, treat them as a complement, not a replacement. You can balance them alongside your traditional index funds or sector ETFs. The goal is to blend AI's adaptability with the stability of long-term investing. That combination gives you exposure to innovation while keeping your overall risk under control. The best part? You don't have to spend hours analyzing charts or reading financial reports. The AI does that for you, and faster than you ever could. It learns from past market cycles, analyzes millions of data sources, and identifies opportunities that even professional traders might miss. That means less guesswork, more precision, and a smarter way to grow your money. But let's be honest, no system is perfect. AI ETFs aren't a guaranteed path to wealth. There will be ups and downs, just like with any investment. The difference is that AI helps you make better decisions based on real data rather than emotion or hype. The more you understand how these funds work, the better you can position yourself for long-term success. So if you someone who has been curious about AI investing but didn't know where to start, AI-driven ETFs are the perfect entry point. They give you access to cutting-edge technology without requiring you to manage anything yourself. You are essentially outsourcing the hardest part, the analysis, to a machine that's designed to handle complexity far beyond human capability. And here's what's exciting. This isn't a short-term trend. AI-driven ETFs are the future of investing. We're entering a world where financial strategies are built, tested, and optimized by algorithms that never stop learning. In 2026 and beyond, these funds could become the backbone of modern portfolios, especially for investors who want efficiency, adaptability, and growth. Now, let's talk about you. If you've been waiting for a sign to start investing smarter, this is it. Don't let AI investing sound intimidating. It's not about replacing humans. It's about enhancing how we invest. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to modernize your portfolio, AI-driven ETFs can give you an edge. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like it. It helps the YouTube algorithm reach more people who want to learn about smart investing. Comment below and tell me what you think about AI ETFs. Do you trust robots with your money? I'd love to hear your thoughts. And of course, make sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos that break down the future of investing, explained simply, clearly, and practically for everyday investors. AI-driven ETF investing isn't just another buzzword. It's a financial revolution. Those who understand it early will have a massive advantage in the next decade. So stop guessing, stop fearing technology, and start learning how to make it work for you. Because the future of investing isn't human, it's intelligent. And that future starts right now.